you, where you been? I could show.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Flo Shanti, and today I have for you my curl kit. So, curl kit is a subscription that I started doing last month. This is my second box ever, and it's $25 a month, and you get hair care products for curly to coarse hair, whatever that means, right? So if you have curly hair, this might be for you, right? So each month there's different products, there's different things in it each month. So let's just see what's in here. Let's see what's inside, right? This is how it looks. Whoa, I'm knocking stuff out already. It comes in a box, right? Take your top off, right? Your box is closed like this. I opened it here because I wanted to be prepared. So, because it'll take me forever to these, like, open boxes and stuff like that. So, and then inside of that, you get one of these little books that says these little Curl Life books. You get a Curl Life book every month with your items inside. This was what it looks like in this box this month. I'm going to set this down. So, Spring and Chic. This is the, it's the Sunny Isle. So, this month is like the Sunny Isle products. And I did try the products from last month, and I liked them. Most of them. I was shocked. And a little bit of it, I would never think to use some of that stuff, but it was pretty good stuff. So I think a lot of it is the Sunny Isle this month, and it's like the Jamaican Black Castor Oil brand. So we're gonna see what's inside. Okay. So let's start off by, this is it. I want to start here. There's some Cream of Nature in here too. I never use Cream of Nature products. I'm not like have an issue with them or anything. I just don't tend to use them. So, but okay. So we have here some Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is by Sunny Isle. This says replenish and revive the original authentic Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I use this all the time. So, and I was actually running low. So it's good to get a new one because I definitely needed to buy one. So, and let me just put this down. So this is that, which I need it, so I'm a little excited about this because I was running low, so that's good. I'm excited to have that. Also, this is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner for dry, dehydrated hair. Pure honey, rich coconut, and creamy shea butter. No sulfates and mineral oil. That's what it says. And this is that. And then, like I said, I don't use Cream of Nature products. I haven't really used them. I'm not. This stinks. This stinks. I don't know if it's because, like, it's, like, shea butter and, like, honey, but this stinks. Oh, I don't like that at all. But that's that. Again, I'll show you. And then we have, from Cream of Nature again, this is the Argan Oil from Morocco Smoothing Edge Glue. Tames and conditions unruly edges, provides firm, long-lasting controls, and controls frizz. Okay, and this is that. I never use stuff like this for my edges. I typically just use my Eco that I normally use for my hair. But we'll give it a try. Glue. Let's smell it. This stinks too. Go figure. Yeah, that stinks. That stinks. Okay, and then we have from Sunny Isle again, Jamaican Black Castor Oil Pure Butter Coconut. New and revolutionary, it says. First ever to convert Jamaican Black Castor Oil into a pure butter. It's 2 ounces. I mean, it stinks too, like all the rest of everything else. Stinks. It's just like this inside. It's like kind of melting. It's kind of hot in here. And it says stimulates hair growth, great for dry, brittle, damaged hair, activates dry, itchy, flaky scalp, stimulant for dry hair, ideal for sensitive skin. For eczema, erases arthritis pain, fades, sores, acne, blemishes, and stretch marks. That's what it says. And this one was like, there's some pretty interesting stuff here. Jamaican Black Castor Oil stuff always pretty stinks though. Like it smells pretty bad if it has that in there. Because Jamaican Black Castor Oil does not smell good. But this Cream of Nature stuff, I don't know. But then we have The Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Knot Free Forever Detangling Conditioner. Detangler and Conditioner says new and improved, infused with Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And this is just the leave-in. Looks like this. Let's smell that. I think the smell makes a difference. This smells good. Even though it has Jamaican Black Castor Oil in it, it smells way better than everything else so far. Like, it's probably the best smelling thing in the box. Literally the best smelling thing in the box. The last thing in here we have, this is from Caviar Curls Moisturizing Spritz. I'm not really sure what I would use this for. Organic and animal cruelty free, it says. No parabens, glycerin, sulfate, silicones, mineral oils, or petroleums. It's a moisturizer. Organic natural ingredients, herbs. Spray onto wet or dry hair to moisturize and shine style as usual. That's what it says. Oh. This smells really, really good. This is the best thing smelling here. This smells pretty, like, amazing, actually. I don't know. I've never heard of Caviar Curls before, but this looks like. I think I would actually give this a try. So, overall, I think I got pretty good stuff. I think I'll try most of this stuff. This cream of nature stuff, I'm not sure because I've never like been a fan of cream of nature. Never was like, so I don't really know. But I mean, if I have it, I'll try it. So that conditioner, I don't really typically have dry hair, so I don't know what it will do for me. But I want to try it anyways, just to see. But yeah, that's what I got in my Cricut this month. I think I got pretty good stuff. So. Also, I wanted to do like a small haul as well. So I bought some stuff and I want to just incorporate it in this because it was pretty cool stuff that I haven't tried yet. So I'm pretty excited for it. I got the Organics. I got them on sale. They were like buy one, get one free or something. Purifying Charcoal Detox Shampoo and Conditioner. I got these ones. Whoa, let me see. That's what it looks like here. I thought they were pretty cool. And I was like, it smells good. But, a detox shampoo and conditioner. I was like, let's try it. So, and it says, infused with coconut, charcoal, and keratin clay. Well, and it says, no stripping, blends, no stripping, this blends only leaves shine. That's what it says. So, I'm kind of excited to try this because I thought it was different. And I don't really use charcoal stuff in my hair, but I heard this stuff was pretty good too. I've seen a video on this. So, I saw that it had it on sale, so I bought it. Also, I got on sale buy one, get one free. It was this Not Your Mother's Naturals. Now, I know that Not Your Mother's hairspray. I didn't know they had like a curly line or curly hair products. There was like 3 different ones. And they were buy one, get one free. And it was Not Your Mother's Naturals Curl Defining Shampoo and Conditioner. This is the Tahitian Gardenia Flower and Mango Butter. This is the one I got. And I got the shampoo and conditioner for that. I wanted to try it. They had like a leave-in, but there was none on the shelf, so I didn't get it. And it smells really good. It smells like mango. I don't know how this works for my hair, but we're going to try it out. It says, Curl Defining Shampoo restores balance to enhance defined curls. Undressed formula free of gluten, parabens, and dyes, silicones, and sulfates. So, and I bought the shampoo conditioner of this as well. I want to try this. So I wanted to just tell you guys that I bought this. I wanted to try it. So we're going to see how this stuff works out. I'm going to probably do a later video to see how it works with both of these shampoo and conditioners. So that's it. That's it on our video. So thank you for coming and watch this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow my socials at flawless_me with 3 E's. Remember that self-love is the best love, and I will see you guys in my next video.